One last topic to be covered in this course is security deposits. We will briefly cover the salient points of California Civil Code 1950.5. However, if you are having trouble sleeping at night, a copy of the entire Civil Code section has been provided in the lecture notes. After July 1st, 2024, the limit is 1 month's rent. If you are a landlord with no more than 2 residential rental properties and no more than 4 units, the limit is 2 times the monthly rent. As always, please call my office for additional details. Security deposits can only be used for the following expenses: past due rent, repairing damage caused by the tenant or their guests. The property must be cleaned so that it is as clean as when the tenant first moved in, and replacing or restoring the landlord's personal property such as furniture. Security deposits may not be used for pre-existing damage, ordinary wear and tear, and unreasonable expenses. Please call my office for details. After learning that a tenant plans to move, they should notify the tenant of their right to ask for an initial inspection. The inspection must happen within 2 weeks before the tenant moves out. Please note the following. The tenant has the right to be present during the inspection. The landlord needs to give the tenant a list of the items so that the tenant can make the repairs. The landlord must send the tenant an itemized statement explaining in detail any deductions, unless the item is less than $125. If the landlord did the work, the statement must show the work done, the time spent, and the hourly rate. Finally, if a vendor performed the work, the landlord must provide the tenant with a copy of the bill. As always, we do not give legal advice. If you have any questions, please call my office.